Government has embarked on a union busting. On union busting. And union busting, I mean, where you're stifling unions from performing their role. We do not exist in a vacuum. We exist in the Constitution, Article 41, and we speak on behalf of workers of this country. So if you stifle unions, you're basically stifling the voice of workers who run this country, be it in the health sector, be it the teachers, as we have seen that undergo that, and now it has come to the health sector. And it's a worrying trend because it looks like that is now becoming government policy. So as unions in this country, we will not lie down and watch as this continues. We're in consultations with all other public sector unions, and very soon, if this situation remains unremedied, we shall come out strongly and give our position on the next course of action. Unions must be respected. We have engaged government on ways to unlock that in terms of resuming the check-off system, which, by the way, is still in law, Labor Relations Act